Musta? Cool.
Parola.
Magkaon me? On our way to our restaurant. Lami pagkaon dito.
Tanan.
Ha?
Tanan.
Seafood only or
Segundo na ibago.
okay. Here's that. Relaxing. We have our little convenient little rain shade here. Taksi man.
Panggal. Tubo.
Nandito na. Nandito na ta. Alright, so we made it. Salamat. Yeah. Ingat. What do you think? Looks good? Looks good. Let's go. I thought it was Arola. Not? Oh, it's Ooh, the crispy pata looks so good. Alright, here we are. Parola Seaview Restaurant with that. Ooh, this looks so good. Wow, the crispy pata looks so good. Sabaw, pampagana. All the chicken BBQs. Pilau. Holy moly. Crispy pata. Regular.
Jumbo.
Huh?
Jumbo ang available.
For how many? 6 to 8 packs?
Including the kapitbahay na.
Okay. Go for the crispy pata.
That sounds good. Okay.
What is this?
Sinuglaw.
Sinuglaw. It is a mixture with raw fish and pork.
Grilled pork.
Grilled pork. Mark wings. Pork and tuna together. Look what's here. The main event. We wanted to order the regular size, but they only had the jumbo crispy pata, so we got the jumbo crispy pata. Look how happy this guy is.
You too?
One of the best crispy patas I've had here.
Tasty.
Yes. Look at this piece of meat. The skin is perfectly crunchy and the meat is super tender. Falls off the bone.
Oh my God, so nice, guys. Thank you, Lord, for the experience. Yes.
Oh my gosh. So glad that We came here out of nowhere to explore. That's what Dad would say is Shamsuwa's lunch banquet. And everything tasted delicious. And what do you think, Dad?
Perfect. Perfect lunch with my son, boy. With all the food here. It's an awesome experience.
Everything is gone. Everything is gone. Look.
Yes. Good experience, guys.
Parola, I approve. Great restaurant. And this is the restaurant right here. Perfect, perfect, top tier restaurant here in Mactan, Cebu. Lunch, food adventure. Explore. Never know what you will find. Our tricycle ran out of battery. He was using an e-bike and he was out of battery. So now he has to push through. But it's all good. We're gonna walk back to our resort and then see. Walking back to the resort. We're gonna pick up some dessert.
Asani, sir.
Hi there.
Hello.
What's the name?
Banana Q.
Banana.
Banana Q.
Banana Q.
Sila ko nabibihin na.
Tagkuhan niya siya sir, tag-12 niya kaya tag-G's.
Kung saan man siya?
Kwan.
Sa akin niya
Turon.
po siya bagi, buto sa crapper. Kani tag-15.
Kanina lang.
Kani tag-10.
Kanina lang.
Lami pa na siya. Try. Subukan.
Lusog this one.
Oh, kani. Kaya may tuluan eh.
Kani, init pa? Init pa?
Ano lang?
Tulog pa nga. Oh, tulog-tulog. Salamat yun mo itong mga masakyan niya. Tricycle.
Tricycle.
Electric bike.
Ayun na siya mag-gamay na.
Nanahodan man siya, battery. Battery na yun eh. Abot ni diha. Diha, nagulan man. Lang.
Thank you, sir.
Selamat.
Salamat.
Selamat eh. Selamat.
Salamat,
Thank
sir,
you.
sa tip.
Ah.
Thank you, thank you. Sir.
Crispy pata. Di ko lang. The Lord's.